Hi guys, Dylan at Jordanbikes, and today we have for sale this lovely CBR1000RR Fireblade. This one is the Black Special, so I'll go over what that gives you in just a minute. This one is a 16 plate with 2,676 miles from new. So the Black Special gives you a dark screen. If you come around here as well, you get these lovely Gillies Honda Racing levers. This one also has the R&G protection on there as well. You get the Galfer discs you just saw there at the front, and you also get a carbon look hugger too. Seat cowl included as well. You've got some little tank grips at the side on this one as well. So as you'd imagine, with this kind of mileage, the bike is really nice and clean. We have also got the seat and pegs included with it, but I'll give it a start up so you can have a listen to it. And as you can see, fully adjustable big piston shower forks there, full digital display on these new ones as well, and they are fairly basic in terms of electronics. You don't get ABS or traction, but you do get a really nice display and a gear indicator. Last thing to mention, this bike also comes with 2 brand new tyres fitted by us, a fresh service and an MOT as well just done. So if you do fancy it, please give us a call or pop down to the showroom. Cheers.
Hi, I'm Nick and thank you for watching the video. Just to let you know, the bike you've just seen will go through our workshop with a fine tooth comb, and we will put a 3-month parts and labour warranty on it. We're so confident it's a good bike that we're happy to extend that for 1, 2 or even 3 years. We also offer finance and PCP on all our bikes subject to status, and the PCPs are on bikes up to 4 years old. So if you like it, give us a call and get it bought before somebody else does. Thank you. Cheers.